2012, my Aunt Pam passed away of breast cancer. 9 months earlier, my aunt noticed a change in the size and the color of her breast. As a result, she had a mammogram, but the mammogram did not detect anything. She had a biopsy, and that was when they detected the breast cancer. My aunt was diagnosed with stage 4 inflammatory breast cancer. This type of cancer can go unnoticed on a mammogram.
Cold water surrounds me now, and all I've got is your hand. Lord, can you hear me now? Lord, can you hear me now? Lord, can you hear me now? Or am I lost? One's daughter, allow me that. And I can't let go of your hand. Oh, can you hear me now? Lord, can you hear me now?
Aunt Pam went to the gynecologist and he referred her to an oncologist. The oncologist had her undergo chemotherapy and radiation. This made her very weak and lose her hair. After 7 months of treatment, she went for a PET scan, which is a search of the entire body to detect cancer. It came back with no sign of cancer. A couple weeks later, she started feeling lightheaded and saying things that did not make sense. She went back to the oncologist and was told that she had 5 tumors on her brain, which are basically inoperable. This cancer secretly spread and hid in her body.
Cold water surrounds me now, and all I've got is your hand. Lord, can you hear me? Lord,
Watching a loved one suffer in such a manner took a toll on everyone around her. We felt helpless. My aunt and I were very close, and her passing has been difficult to cope with. I encourage everyone to take advantage of the breast cancer testing that is available for early detection and treatment to be effective. Suffering takes a toll on everyone. To be in anguish, one must not fret. Instead, be courageous until the moment your time is done. Catering to your pain is not your best bet. Wipe away those tears. There's only eternity ahead. It's hard to face your fears. Don't worry what will happen after you're dead. Everything will fall into place. As for me, I know from heaven you and Nanny will be watching over me. And if death is the case, providing you the guidance and the insight I need to truly see. But now you're gone and are viewing from high above. Aunt Pam, I simply miss you, your strength, and your love.